Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be studying subject English grammar from standard 3. Children, today's topic is all about question forms with WH. So, let's get started. Children, can you tell me what do you see on the screen? Yes, you can see a web of WH question words. You know, children, it is a function word used to ask a question. They are sometimes called WH words. Children, do you know why do we ask questions? When we want to know about someone for something or when we look for an explanation. So children, let's see what are the question words. Here are some questions. Question 1. Who is your teacher? Question 2. What are you going to buy? Question 3. Why did you buy the cake? Question 4. Where does the fish swim? See children, here the words who, what, why and where are the question words. Children, look at these answers. First one, who is your teacher? Mrs. Jyoti is my teacher. In this sentence, someone is asking for the person, and for person we use the word who. Second one, what are you going to buy? I am going to buy toys. In this sentence, someone is asking for the things, and for things we use the word what. Now third one, why did you buy the cake? I bought the cake because today is my birthday. In this sentence, someone is asking for a reason, and for reason we use the word why. Now fourth one, where does the fish swim? The fish swims in water. In this sentence, someone is asking for a place, and for place we use the word where. Children, now look at some more questions. 5. Whom did you meet yesterday? 6. When do you go to school? 7. Which one is your car? 8. Whose book is this? Now let's see the explanation in the next slide. Children, now look at the screen. Whom did you meet yesterday? I met my grandfather. In this answer, someone is asking for a person, and for person we use the word whom. Now let's see the next example. When do you go to school? I go to school at 7 a.m. In this question, someone is asking for a specific time, and for specific time we use the word when. Which one is your car? The red one is my car. Children, in this example, someone is asking for a choice, and for choice we use the word which. Which one is your car? Whose book is this? That is my book. Children, in this example, someone is asking for the owner of the book, and for ownership we use the word whose. Whose book is this? Children, different question words are used to ask different types of questions. Now let's see the first one. Who? Who is always used to refer a person. Let's see the examples. First example is, who are you? Answer, I am your new co-teacher. In the first sentence, someone is asking for a person, and for person we use the word who. Who are you? Second example, who is that? Answer, that is an artist who paints pictures and drawings. In this sentence also, someone is asking for a person, and for person we use the word who. Who is that? Children, now let's see which is used when you have to choose from different alternatives. Let's see the examples. 1. Which book do you want? Answer, I want a story book. In this sentence, someone is asking about the choices of the book. So, for choices, we use the word which. Which book do you want? 2. Which toy do you want? Answer, I want a doll. In this sentence also, someone is asking for a choice, and for choice we use the word which. Which toy do you want? Children, look at the screen. The word what is used to know about specific object, idea and action. Let's see the examples. Example 1. What do you want? I want chocolate. See, in this sentence, someone is asking for an object. So, for an object we use the word what. What do you want? Let's see the second example. What are you doing tonight? Answer, I am going to see a movie. In this sentence, someone is asking for an action, and for an action or things we use what. So children, what are you doing tonight? Children, can you tell me when do we use the word where? Don't worry, I'll tell you. The word where is used to know the place. See children, examples. First one, where are you from? Answer, I am from India. Children, in this example, someone is asking for a place. So we use the word where. Where are you from? Look at the second example. Where is the teacher? Answer, the teacher is in the class. See children, in this sentence, someone is asking for a specific place. So, we use the word where. Where is the teacher? Children, now look at the slide. The word when is used to know the time, day, month and year. Now let's see the examples. Number 1. When do you have dinner? Answer, I have dinner at night. Children, in this sentence, someone is asking for the specific time. So, for the time, we use the word when. When do you have dinner? Let's see the next example. When is the concert? Answer, the concert is at 8 p.m. In this sentence, someone is asking for the specific time. So, for time, we use the word when. When is the concert? Children, now let's see. When do we use why? The word why is used to know about reason or need an explanation. Let's see the examples. First one, why are you late? Answer, I am late because I got up late. See children, in this example, someone is asking for a reason, and for reason we use why. Why are you late? Look at the second example. Why do you dance? Answer, I dance when I hear the music. See children, in this example also, someone is asking for a reason. So we use the word why. Why do you dance? Children, now let's see. When do we use whom? The word whom is used to ask about a person or object. Let's see the examples. Number 1. By whom is this art done? Answer. The art is done by the sister. In this sentence, someone is asking for a person, and for a person we use the word whom. By whom is this art done? Next example, whom did you call? Answer, I called my mother. In this sentence also, someone is asking for a person, and for person we use the word whom. Whom did you call? Children, we will see that when do we use whose. Look at the screen. Whose is used to refer possession or ownership. Now look at the examples. First one, dash umbrella do you take? Answer, I take my sister's umbrella. Children, in this sentence, someone is asking for the owner of the umbrella. So the right answer is whose. Whose umbrella do you take? Answer, I take my sister's umbrella. Now look at the second example. Dash phone is this? Answer, I think it's hers. She was looking out for it an hour ago. In this sentence, someone is asking again for the owner of the phone. So the right answer is whose. Whose phone is this? Children, here is an exercise for you, and you will be writing the exercise in your notebook. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct question word. Question A. Dash do you live? Answer A. I live in a beautiful house. In this question, you will use the word where. Where do you live? Question B. Dash else did you buy? Answer B. I bought some snacks and a pair of shoes. In this question, you will use the word what. What else did you buy? Question C. Dash does he look so tired? Answer C. He looks so tired because he has been working for 10 hours. In this question, you will use the word why. Why does he look so tired? Question D. Dash is your birthday? Answer D. My birthday is in the next week. In this question, you will use the word when. When is your birthday? Question E. Dash are you looking for? Answer E. I am looking for my best friend. In this question, you will use the word who. Who are you looking for? Children, now it's a homework time and you will be writing the homework in your notebook. Write questions to the given answers. Answer 1. Father bought this car last year. Here, you have to frame the question by using the WH word. Answer 2. Mr. Mehra went to the hospital. Answer 3. I want a pencil. And answer 4. This boy is taller. Children, here you have one more homework for you. Read the paragraph and make your own questions and write the answers from the given paragraph. And the paragraph is: Today a dentist came to visit our classroom. He was there to teach us how to take care of our teeth. The dentist gave us all new toothbrushes, toothpaste, and dental floss. He was nice. Thank you students for watching this video.